Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So tonight we are going to cook up some of this beef curry we canned up. You remember, I have parboiled some cubed potatoes that I peeled. I have some basmati rice going back here. I need to turn that down, get a cover on it, find the lid. We have 2 tablespoons of oil in a hot skillet. Obviously, we're going to add a teaspoon of mustard seed, a cinnamon stick. It's sputtering everywhere. Cinnamon stick, 2 bay leaves, and a chili. We're going to add 1 cup of onion. I've got mustard seed everywhere. A cup of onion. It's supposed to sputter, but it's not supposed to pop out. It's everywhere. Sorry, but that's going to make me crazy. As my husband said, I'm going to saute those onions until they start to brown a little bit. And then we have, as soon as those have browned a little bit, we're going to add our 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of coriander, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder, and then we'll need some water and salt and pepper. And you will add the spices and saute them for a minute or 2 or 3. I'm going to take that out because I don't want it too cinnamony. I can smell it, so that's enough for me. And get a little bit of water. I'm going to add my potatoes. And that's going to bulk up our jar of curry so it goes further. Turn down my rice. I'm going to be forever cleaning up mustard seeds. And you could do this even if you didn't have this canned curry. You could use your store-bought canned beef. It just wouldn't be as curry-y, but this would work just fine to zhuzh up your canned beef, your store-bought canned beef or your Keystone. So I'm going to let this cook for a few minutes. Hey. You're not going to go bark at the neighbors. Nobody else around here can go out and let their dogs out without mine going nuts. I was going to let this saute, but I'm going to go ahead and add my spices. And this is our curry, chili powder, turmeric, and coriander. Bella, no! Lily's allowed to go outside too. She's not been out all day. Get that all mixed in. Add some salt. And this is called tempered spices for your beef. Some salt. Don't inhale the spices. There's that spicy pepper in there. Salt and pepper, that's to taste. Very fragrant. I'm going to add our water. And you want this to get thick. So you'll let it simmer for a minute. Few minutes, and then you just add your jar of curry. These mustard seeds went everywhere, you guys. Everywhere. Let that come up to a bubble so it can thicken. You're essentially making like a gravy. And those spices thicken it up. You can use as little of the red chili as you want. And then I have some naan bread wrapped up in foil to warm up in the oven while this gets hot. See how that's thickening? Sorry, I've been moving you around trying to clean up my seeds. See how it's thickening? So that's thickened up nicely, and you'll want to take out those bay leaves. I'm going to open this over the sink. We're going to add this so it can get heated through. And remember, this has spices in it and stuff too. It has chilies and okay. So I'm just going to let this simmer on low heat. Get hot, let those potatoes absorb some of the flavor. And see how the potatoes stretch it. And this will easily feed 2 people. I figure we'll get 3 meals out of this. 2 dinners and a lunch. I'm going to taste it for salt and pepper. Yummy. A little spicy. I feel a cough coming on. It's not a hot, just hits the back of your throat a little bit. So yeah, gonna let that heat up, and I'll be back when we're ready to plate it. Okay, you guys, let's taste this. I got my hubby situated with his plate. Get that bay leaf out of there. That worked out well. No. Oh, my dogs are trying me today. Okay. Got our hot naan there. This is hot. Turned everything off. Got a little bit of everything. Potatoes get me every time. Hot. It's very good. If you can, try and can some of this up and put it on the shelf. If not, do that seasoning that we did in the skillet and some potatoes, and add your store-bought canned beef to it. It'll be yummy too. So anyways, just thought I'd share this version of the beef curry with the potato and the tempered spices. So you all take care, you stay safe, you stay healthy, you stay warm, and I will see you all in the next video.